Hey, it's Naturally TC coming at you with this cut and relaxer retouch. So my client came in, she's like over this hair. She wants to go short. She wants to do something different. And if you notice, guys, I do the same parting as I do when I do my natural clients with the tapered cut style. It is just about the same parting. A lot of things that you're going to do with your hair is repetitive. I mean, I'm not using a different method. The hair is relaxed, so it's straight, but I'm using the same technique. So I'm parting the hair, and you can see like in the crown area, my part is a little bit down. So I start just a little above and what do you call it? I don't want to call it the apex. Look, I'm trying to use all these cosmetology terms. This is so unnecessary. But in the front, right, you do it up here, and then as you part it coming down, you see how the part comes lower. And so I'm just going to take off the bulk of the hair because we are not going to relax hair. One, it's already straight and relaxed. And another reason she was, as you can see, her hair looks very, I don't want to call it dead, lest I offend somebody. But the hair is just dead, okay? Like, there is nothing going on with that hair. She needed it cut. She needed a new look. What happens is when you guys are relaxing your hair at home, you're relaxing it over and over and over again. Even though if the hair has already been previously relaxed, that's it. Do not go back over it with that relaxer. It's just going to kill your hair and take out any elasticity that is left in the hair. You're not going to have any. And then so you be like, oh, I flat iron my hair is just like paper. Yeah, because there's no elasticity. It is dead. You killed it. Yeah. So anyway, same parting style, like I said. Now I'm going to go back in because we're going to leave some hair on the top, and then we're going to relax this hair and we're going to style it. So you guys watch this video until the end. It comes out really cute and it actually looks so much better on her. You know what? Like when you wear your hair short, especially as you age and get older, the shorter the better, because the longer your hair is, it kind of pulls your face down. So it elongates the face, which if you're wrinkling already, you know, it's gonna make you look tired. But you get that shortcut, come through. It looks nice. So yeah, so continue to watch my cut and follow me on Instagram and Facebook and all those other platforms. I'm trying to see what's gonna happen right here. Oh, okay. Yeah, continue to watch this cut. All right, y'all. I love y'all. Take care.